How to fix WhatsApp Business couldn't download image on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp Business couldn't download image on any Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and now go to WhatsApp Business. Now just go to storage, and here you will find the clear cache here, and then go to permissions, allow storage here, this one. If you find it like that, just click allow and then click force stop. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space. Then just go to clean up and clean anything you want, or you can just clean it from your gallery. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.